Assalamu alaikum. Imagine reading stories the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, remember to say sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he himself have said. How beautiful and rich would these stories be? Well, we don't have to imagine so much because he already shared with us so many beneficial ones, alhamdulillah. In this series, we will cover 8 stories in 8 episodes, inshallah, starting with episode 1 right now. Bismillah. The Prophet ﷺ said, there was a man who said to himself, tonight I plan to give in charity. So he left his place with his charity so privately, looking to hand it to someone, and out of all people, he placed the charity in the hand of a person who happened to be a thief. Allahu Akbar. The news somehow went viral, and the people started talking. A charity was given to a thief. Have you heard? A charity was given to a thief. فَقَالَ اللَّهُمَّ لَكَ الْحَمْدِ. The man who gave in charity heard the news going viral and said, praise be to Allah. He did not give up. And he said, tonight I will still give in charity. So he left his place with that charity privately, and out of all the people, he placed the charity in the hand of a woman who used her body in the haram, committing zina. May Allah forgive us. The news went viral and the people started talking. Last night a charity was given to a zaniya, to a very extremely immodest lady. Subhanallah. The man said, Allahumma lakal hamd. The man heard of this and said, praise be to Allah. No complaints at how Allah decrees things. Alhamdulillah. But he said to himself, ala zaniya, out of all the people, she gets it. Allahu Akbar. He did not give up. The third time he tries again. And he said, tonight I will give in charity. Wants to go privately. So he leaves the place, looking around. And out of all people, he placed the charity in the hand of a very rich man. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. The news went viral and the people started talking. A charity was given to a very rich man. Like how is that possible? There are people in need and so on and so forth. And he gets it. Who heard this? The man. He said, Allahumma lakal hamd. Praise be to Allah. No complaints. Then he said to himself, ala sariq wa ala zaniya wa ala ghani. Out of all people, a thief and a zaniya and a rich man. Subhanallah. While this man and donor was sleeping one night, a man came in his dream and said, أَمَّا صَدَقَتُكَ فَقَدْ قُبِلَتْ. The man in the dream told him, your charity has been accepted. Allahu Akbar. May Allah accept from you watching and from me delivering, and accept from the brother who's recording, and accept from all of us our fasting and charity. Ya Rabbal Alameen. The same way Allah accepted this man's charity. Let's go further. The man explains in the dream to the donor, as for your charity to the thief, perhaps it will make him shy away from stealing. As for the woman who used her body in the haram, perhaps the money will stop her from committing the haram. As for the rich man who received the donation, perhaps it will make him reflect, and as a result push him to give in charity from what Allah gave him. Allahu Akbar. Brothers and sisters, this story is filled with lessons. So how about you type one lesson or reflection you find from this story? And the viewers and I would look forward to reading what you will type, inshallah. If you're in a rush and you're busy, just like it to spread it. May Allah bless you. Wassalamu alaikum.